Introducing a revolutionary way to get instant support from Singer, the world leader in sewing machines. Resolving sewing machine issues has never been easier. Our Live Assist video service provides real-time expert guidance for effortless installation, interactive demonstrations, and immediate troubleshooting, all from the comfort of your home. Dial 1-800-103-3474 and choose option 1. Quick solution over the phone. Option 2. Connect with a Live Assist expert over a video call for personalized step-by-step support. Once you book a Live Assist session, our team calls you to confirm your preferred date and time.
So may I know your suitable timings for the demonstration? Alright ma'am, we'll call you at 2 p.m. for the demonstration. Also for the demonstration, you require some material, which is pair of scissors.
The SLA expert confirms you have essential items ready before the call.
For the video call ma'am, we will share you a link via SMS.
You'll receive an SMS link. Just click and enable camera access and Singer Live Assist goes live instantly.
So let's begin with the demonstration. First, we will explore the controls and settings on the machine. Okay. So first, ma'am, you need to plug in the machine with this foot paddle.
During the Live Assist session, explore various DIY sewing skills, installation, stitch control setup, and pattern exploration. Singer Live Assist provides expert sewing tips and essential guidance on machine maintenance. You'll also learn about special offers for accessories and extended warranties. Singer Live Assist is interactive, two-way, and practical, ensuring every query is fully addressed.
I hope, ma'am, you don't have any doubts regarding this.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for helping me. I will definitely give you a good rating. Thank you so much, ma'am.
After your session, you'll receive a feedback form to share your experience. Singer Live Assist, your go-to for installation, demonstrations, and expert sewing techniques.